But if you come rice, they will do more. Then here on the Rajasthan, they will do cultivation of the dates. Okay, if you go for eastern side, the people will cultivate coffee, grains, and tea. So because the climate is different, according to it, the people are doing cultivation. This is what the passage is saying. This is what the passage is saying. So land forms are different. Automatically, life forms also different kind of a cross the people will do. So India have a from Gujarat to, if you see from Gujarat to, okay, Gujarat to western Bengal, West Bengal up to West Bengal. So what happens? Longest coastal line we have. Longest coastal line. So these longest coastal line make the possibility to do with the trade. So creating the possibility of the trade with the other countries. Obviously, isn't it? So interconnecting in the Indian Ocean. So the people can be go for the further, right? So fishing is the major cultivation also the part of this area where exactly in the southern part. This is what the down passage which tells about it. Now see the one more passage here. So here what the mentioned here. Once recall your latitude and longitude of your chapter of 9th class. Okay. So and where you discuss about the time and travel. Okay, place and location of the India. So already we have done the starting of this lesson. Even so here now you will see that India in central latitude. Okay, India and central latitude 82.30 east of the India, which is called as a standard meridian. Okay, which is passes through by the Allahabad. Okay, so this is refers to as a IST, Indian Standard Time. Okay, then this is the part of India. Let me see. Now you can see here that okay. Now so western side, eastern side, and eastern side. Clear. Now middle we have a standard meridian IST. This is called IST 82.30. 82.30 IST is there. Okay. So why it is made as? So we'll go for further more detail. Now so let me see that. So generally what the latitude starts from 68.7 to 97.25. So longitude. It's a longitude. Okay. So longitude is there. Clear? So in your previous classes you studied that. So one longitude is equal to 4 minutes. So longitudes, how many longitudes we have? 360 longitudes we have. 360 longitudes we have, isn't it? In the same way, from 68.7 to 97.25 longitude. Okay, we are doing. Why the IST has created? Why IST is created? Okay, so 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Is it clear? Okay, in the same way, 15 longitudes is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes means what? So 15 into 4 minutes. 15 longitudes into 4 minutes. 1 longitude is equal to 4 minutes is equal to 60 minutes. So we are very clear about it, right? Now let us see. Okay, 68 longitude we are. 68 to 78. How many longitudes are there? 10. Then 79 to 88. How many? 10. Then 89 to 96. How many longitudes are there? 8. So total how many longitudes are there? 28 longitudes are there. Means from 68 to 97.25. Okay, so we have exactly. So I have wrote here 97. It is not 96. It is 97. I have wrote 96 here. It is not 96. It is a 97. Okay. So totally how many? Exactly. So it is also become as additional 1. Okay. Now, so 29. Okay. If you divide 29 by 2, how much is what? So 14.5. 14.5. Okay. So now, so that is what these people have divided the. So this is what the people have divided and drawn the middle line. Okay, so that is the IST. Means what? Throughout the India, the single longitude which divides the west and east, means all the people need to follow one single time. So for example, now you can see this is one box, this is one more box, this is one more box. So this particular area, the time is different. If you take this what grid, already we discussed on a particular grid, so 37.7, 8.4, okay, in the south 8.4, then west 60, 8.7, east 97.25. so this is what exactly it's called a cell, it is called a grid, already we discussed in the starting of this lesson. So this particular India is located. So if you'll follow on a own longitude, for example, Telangana is there, okay, Telangana we discussed, okay, on particular box, if you make one box grid, if you make, so if these people will follow, so what exactly longitude says about? Longitude says about time, latitude decides about place, latitude says about place and time. Place and times will be located by the grid, isn't it? By the grid. So that if a people will follow their own time by locally, so by locally what will happen? There is a lot of confusion, because the Gujarat will follow their own time, and the Arunachal Pradesh people will follow their own time. The entire country people will face a different kind of a problem, isn't it? Kashmir people are following one local time, so south people are following, Tamil Nadu is following one local time, so there is a confusion. So to overcome from that confuse, the people are made one single time in the entire country by the IST, Indian Standard Time. That is what Indian Standard Time, which makes to that to follow a single time in India, which is Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, okay, which passes through by the Allahabad. The people are divided. You understood very clearly. 68.7 to 97.25. So divided by 2, then you'll get exactly 29. So divided by 2 again. So again you'll get the clear number, which is 14.5. So that is what exactly the line has drawn. Isn't it? Is it clear? I feel. Now, one more thing is that GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. So Greenwich Mean Time means what? So middle of the country. So middle from the country, India is located. Okay. So if we'll go ahead like that, can we do it? Let's we do it. Okay. Generally what? Middle line. This is called Greenwich time. Okay, which is passes through by the England. Okay. Royal Observatory. Observatory lab is there in the England. So from that, this line will going to be passes through by the entire world. Now 0. Then you go for further 60 latitude, then 1 hour you make it as for every 15 longitudes. For every 15 longitudes, if you will go further, then India will located on particularly on a 5.5 hours. Okay, 5.5. Already you have started in your 9th class only, very briefly. Okay, so here is the box one more. So here what was the question is here. So Ahmedabad.